Experience driving perfection in the 2012 Ford F-150. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you